everybody! This is the new Sup House, the new super mouse for you and your computer! Wow! This Toshiba mouse, look, Toshiba. Bo is socks in English. It means touch my socks? What? What does this name? The Sup House is very good. Sup House, super mouse. You mean? Yeah. This Toshiba mouse can be like, let me think. Nothing.
Before, this man was very sad, and one day he found the Sup House on a table. Instantly, he was very enjoy his life. And miracle! He can walk! Wow!
Hi everybody, this is the new Sup House. The Sup House can be many things, like give you a drink. I know I'm annoying with this, but the Sup House can do many things. It can also teleport you. So my assistant here will press a little button and it will teleport himself. Go.
If you call in the next 5 minutes, you will get the last version of the new Sup House.